Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing AgeGO.com. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a website that will help you verify your age in multiple different websites. So as you can see, verify your age to view 18 plus content websites. So basically not safe for work websites. So as you can see, just verify, create, and access those websites. So if you're wondering if this is legit or not, which seems to be very risky and very shady, let's open it here on Trustpilot and see that they are rated 3.1 out of 5 stars with 27 reviews, and it is average. So let's see some reviews here. Can't verify my face. Easygoing verification. Took a picture last week. Tried to log in with a number. Blah blah blah. I'm 60. Tried the photo ID again, but doesn't work. Doesn't work at all. It's a joke. Like everything else nowadays, doesn't work properly. So 5 stars. Verify I'm over 18. No issue. Work like a charm, work as intended, and a lot more. Absolute garbage, absolute rubbish. And then basically there are a lot of negative reviews. Even though there are a lot of 5-star reviews also, they might be inflated, and Trustpilot has that issue that they have a lot of fake reviews. So please guys, I would advise you not to use this, since it's not that useful. Since how would you, like, if you're viewing 18 plus content websites, there isn't a lot of websites that really need to verify that you're 18. You just click on a button and then you're just verified. You wouldn't need to enter in your information here. And basically what they're trying to do, I think, is just getting information from you and then basically collecting. Especially they're even trying to get a photo of your face, which is very dangerous. So please guys, I would advise you stay away from this website. It is very shady and apparently doesn't work. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.